Hello folks, welcome to Demers Township here in Michigan. Now, man cannot live by frozen pizza alone. And that's the case of me. As I said in my Christmas special, getting a little tired of the frozen pizzas. Plus I'm running out of frozen pizzas to try. I know there's many more, but finding them is the other thing. So today I'm going to do a burrito on the Blackstone using a special ingredient. So here we go. Blackstone out in front of the garage. Got it turned up all the way. Broke out 1 pound of ground beef. I don't know what percentage fat it is. It doesn't really matter to me. This is for a burrito with a special ingredient. Now, getting this broke up here so everything cooks nice and uniform. Don't want no lumpy pieces of meat in there. Using the 2 Blackstone spatulas. They're pretty good, but they're not the same shape and dimensions as in the industry. They're a little more narrow and I think a little bit longer. Oh, who's that handsome devil? Anyhow, getting that ground beef cooked up, and I'm about to add the special ingredient. Can any of you tell what that is? I'll give you a little hint. You have to cook it good, it's going to be too hard. I could have possibly added it when I first started cooking the ground beef. Anyhow, that carne asada powder, rub, whatever you want to call it. Good stuff. Got it at Harbor Freight. Got it at Grocery Outlet. The Bargain Barn. Very cheap. I do have some great Blackstone products that do the same thing. But I like using this stuff. I have no remorse using it. The Blackstone stuff is expensive. See how I get the spatulas down on top there? Almost like a press, just to help it cook a little faster. But I do have a press, and I just didn't bring it. What's next? Oh, nothing. I'm testing that special ingredient to see if it's softened up. It's getting there. Oh yeah, onions. That's pretty much like 1 whole medium-sized onion right there. Doesn't take long for those to saute, especially in that ground beef fat. There we go with the spatulas down on top, working as a press and retaining that heat. Cilantro is a must. Got a good amount in there. I like to add that in late, which I did here. Now you'll see here I'm adding the Lodge 3.2 cast iron cooker bottom on top of it, just so I can load that stuff into it instead of fumbling around with holding something or whatever, you know. This cast iron. Look at that. 2 spatula method. It is cold out. Not real cold. Snow's melting. Can't complain. Alright, back in the house. So I took a tortilla, one of the large ones, see it's plate size. And I did microwave some cheese on top of it. Then I put some refried beans on that tortilla. Fresh from the can. Yeah, I love this stuff. There is the beef mixture. Here in a little bit you're going to see what that secret ingredient is. Oh, some sour cream. A must. Oh, this is awesome. No, this is not your run-of-the-mill regular grocery store. It's Mateo's gourmet salsa. Very good. I think I got that at Costco. Can't believe it. Anyhow, blowing up the tortilla, the burrito. There's many ways to do it. This is how I do it. And here I am about to devour it. Look, I'm giving myself a thumbs up because I made this stuff. And I'm going to be the one to eat it. A little undecided on which end to eat this burrito from. But then I figured out. Good. Look at that. I need a shave. Yeah, it's so good. We're about to see the mystery ingredient right here. A yellow potato. It works very good with a burrito mix. Try it. If you don't have a whole bunch of ingredients to make a burrito, if you got a potato, throw it in there. Cracking open a nice cold pop here in Michigan, the Great Lakes state. Hey folks, thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm Paulie.